Hi and welcome to the advanced tutorial for the database Daily Life Through History. Previously we discussed, or the introductory search of this database, the browse topics here to the left, where it is preoccupied with different time frames. And we talked about if you were given an assignment within a specific time frame, this would help you come up with a topic, if you didn't already have one, to search within. But let's say you already do have a topic, and you want to do a more advanced search within this database for the topic that you are looking for. You're going to come over here to the right, where it has Advanced Search, and we've got a box where we can type in the subject that we are looking for. Now, I have already typed something in to save time. It is Japanese American internment camps, or, I'm using this limiter, or internment camps Northern California. I'm interested in both of those topics, Japanese American internment camps and internment camps that were located in Northern California. So I'm going to hit the search button, and we're going to be taken to the results for this limited search of these two topics. Given this is just a random topic that I have chosen, it could be any topic that you are working on for your paper. So we are given these search results. Looks like it returned 38 results, and we're going to come down here and it gives us Reference Library 37 and Topic Center. Topic Center is only one, so I'm just going to come over here to show you. It is an introduction to Japanese internment. So this could also be found under the World at War, 1914 to 1945, which is on that home page to the left time frame, that bar to the left on the home page. So this is just going to be an introduction. But if we go to the reference library, this is going to be specific resources that are within the topic. Now you can see you can sort these results. You can sort them by relevance, obviously being relevant to the search terms that we put in. Category, which stays about the same as you'll see when I switch it, but changes it just slightly to different categories. So sticks with internment camps, and then moves to different topics as you go further down in the search. And then you have by title, which basically just sorts everything alphabetically. So we're going to see all of our results form alphabetically. So let's say we're looking, go back to relevance, and let's say we're looking for primary source material only, specifically videos. So when you look over here to the left, we can filter our results. We have reference articles, glossary terms, and then we have media, photos and illustrations, political cartoons, posters and document images, video, maps, and then documents, which are political, government, and court documents, cultural documents, letters and narratives, newspapers and magazines. So we said we wanted to look for videos only. So we're going to click on video, and then we're going to click filter. So this will take our 38 results and we'll filter them down to where we're on 16 now that are all videos. So when we pick any of these, Japanese American internment living quarters, it's going to take us to a video from that time that's going to show us more of what was going on at that time, and will give us that primary source material for whatever paper we are writing on this topic. So I'm going to wait till this pops up. So it tells you where it was, where they got it, how to cite it, and again, if you click on View All Citation Styles, you can change the citation to the one that you need. I'm not going to play this one, but you would click here and it would play the video for you. It was you can see this was produced by the War Relocation Authority, so you can glean what you would from that, what perspective that would be from. This video, if it was done by the War Relocation Authority, would probably be somewhat pro these internment camps and would probably show the best of that. So let's go back to our results, because if you recall, I had put in the limiter here of Japanese American internment camps or internment camps in California. So let's see if it pulled up a video for us within both categories that we were looking for. So we have education, food service. These are all by the War Relocation Authority. So these were obviously a series of videos that were done to explain what was happening and to explain the government's reasoning or what they were doing at this time. It doesn't look like we get one from California, so let's see. I'm going to keep looking. Yeah, it doesn't look like we get one from California. So if we know we're not going to get a video, let's get out of there and let's see if maybe we try. Let's try political, government, and court documents, and let's filter with that. So we're going to look there and see if it pulls up both within those categories we had gotten. So let's see. We're going to scroll down, and here we go. Number 3, Japanese internment petition. In April 1942, Presbyterian leaders in San Anselmo, California, petitioned Congress to rethink the unnecessarily drastic and severe internment policy for Japanese Americans. So let's click on that. That would definitely fall within what we're looking for, and would serve as definitely a primary source for us. So not only does it give us the information here about the petition, but you can actually view the document if you click here. And we'll be able to see the actual document petition that was done at that time, which is always great to be able to see the primary source material when we're doing a paper, so we can look at it and have our own interpretation as opposed to an interpretation that's already been done by another scholar. So if we come down here, we can see that it was Presbytery of the Redwoods. So it looks like it was a church group that filed this in 1942 on April 15th. And it lays out what, we call attention to the following considerations of why they think it's unnecessarily drastic and severe. And you see here it was embossed right here, time-stamped, that it was received by the group we had just seen a minute ago, the headquarters of the War Committee, 4th Army, on 10 days later from when they wrote it. So incredibly interesting, great source if you were writing a paper on this topic, and specifically within, putting those two things together. So this is how we would, I'm going to go back to the results, but this is how we would do an advanced search. If we had a specific topic, and I really narrowed it with a really broad Japanese American internment camps, but then put in that or internment camps in California, which really gave us we could get a perspective on Japanese American internment camps, but also get it more specified to California camps as well. So you can see that it gives us a lot of options. There's a lot to explore, and definitely great sources here on this database. I hope this helped. And if you have any questions about this database, you are welcome to contact me, and I would be happy to walk you through any other questions you might have in using this very useful database. Thank you.